As you can see, this right here is the Keychron K1 mechanical keyboard. The price was $84 excluding shipping. Alright, so the box is in good quality, and now let's open it up. Wow, okay, so we have some Windows keys. You can replace them with the Mac keys if you are a Windows user. This was originally designed for Mac, so that's why it comes with Mac keys. However, as I said, you can replace them with the Windows keys. You also get a USB Type-A to USB-C wire in the box. To make it easier for you to pull the Mac keys and replace them with the Windows keys, it comes with a key puller which you can use to pull the keycaps off the switches so that you can put the Windows keys on the switches and vice versa if you are replacing Mac keys with Windows. Alright, here is the real thing itself. Wow, it's quite heavy. Okay, so this is the keyboard itself, and let's just unbox it after we read the manual and the instructions. The quick reference card tells the user the main details about the keyboard quickly and briefly. The user manual tells all the details about the keyboard very thoroughly. Alright, here is the real thing itself. Let's just take the plastic off. Okay, so as you can see, the keyboard looks insane. Wow, it's quite heavy. It's like probably the best looking keyboard I've seen in my life. Also, not to mention, it's quite heavy. I mean, it would weigh at least 800 to 900 grams. The design is sick. The keys are very high, as you can see. They have a plastic capping on top with Keychron brand switches underneath. Those are the type of switches I ordered for my keyboard. You can get other switches as well, like green, yellow, red, white, blue, black, and brown. The main body is made of aluminium, and the back is also made of strong aluminium. The keyboard has 4 small round rubber pads which it stands on. On the top bar, you get all the main Mac keys that you would get on a Mac keyboard. However, on the top right corner, there are extra buttons for microphone, RGB, and screen capture. The RGB brings an amazing look to your keyboard. There are different patterns and designs you get with the RGB. The keys are very easy to use. The keys are very easy to type with, as they are not that distracting, and also they don't put that much pressure on your knuckles whilst typing compared to other Mac and Windows keyboards. Comparison. Before the Keychron keyboard, I used the Apple Magic Keyboard 1 that I bought. I liked it as it was very responsive. However, some of its keys broke, and that is why I switched to the $99 Apple Magic Keyboard 2. It was also very responsive, but it didn't have much key travel. My fingers used to just slip off the keys whilst typing and gaming. It also put a lot of strain not only on my finger knuckles, but on my hand as well. The design of Keychron is a bit more slanted compared to the other 2 Apple keyboards. Also, the Keychron has the added benefit of having RGB backlighting, but the Apple keyboards even lack the basic backlighting, maybe because they are supposed to be in lighted conditions. And that is why I wanted to switch to a mechanical keyboard with longer key travel. And that is why I selected the Keychron K1 V4.